Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and I hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today to take a look at the projector from Vankyo. This is the Vankyo Performance 630, which is an improved version of the Performance 620, which is right over here. And talking about this 620, I will leave some links right over here regarding my setup on the projector room, and also this projector right over here, because the 630 has a few improvements that we will talk, but a lot of things are the same. So the link will be right over here for the full review of this one, and of course in terms of prices, and you can compare, I will leave a link down below. So let's start with the image quality. What we will get is a resolution of 1080, which is just awesome for this price range in terms of projector. I don't see any difference in terms of image from the 630 to the 620. Both of them have a great image quality with a contrast ratio of 5000 to 1 and 6000 lumens. And this means that when I do my test in terms of lighting, and I'm talking about pushing between 1000 to 4000 lumens on the room, what I can say is that we will be able to see perfectly even with 4000 lumens on a ceiling near to the projector. So my room gets really bright, almost daylight. But I would suggest, as always, overall better experience than dim down our lights, and we will have a better experience. Now, in terms of size, expect to have, without loss of quality, as we have tested on the 620 right up there, between 50 inches up to 300 inches, which is just awesome. Now, mine is about 3.5 meters away from the wall. I'm a bit limited, and if you want to see, there will be a link right over here, but we can do 50 inches for 1.5 meters and up to 300 inches roughly at 9 meters away. Now, if you have your projector and it will surpass the size of the screen, you can reduce up to 50%, which is great without losing quality. We will not be able to zoom as the 620, because in that particular case we would lose quality. Now, one of the things that really improved is the sound quality. The 620 is not bad and we can use it fairly, but the 630 is another level in terms of sound for projectors.
A nossa convidada, Susana Coroado, vice-presidente da Associação de Transparência e Integridade. Boa tarde, obrigada pela presença em estúdio. Ouvimos o primeiro-ministro, o António Costa,
And one of the concerns is the fan, that it's cooling the lamp, but as you could hear from the sample that I just placed, we cannot hear the fan once we are listening to, I don't know, a radio show or anything, news, music, whatever. The fan noise will be almost non-noticeable, which is just awesome. Now, in terms of menus, it is exactly the same as the 620. We will find everything in terms of menus, the picture modes and the audio and so on and so forth. So if you want to check it a little bit more, just check out the link that I left on top of this video. In terms of connections, we will have 2 HDMIs and 1 SD cards, and then we'll also find 1 VGA, 2 USB, audio in and audio out. So guys, the overall experience with the projector that I've been using for a few days now is just awesome. If you are looking for something for your setup on the price range of 200 euros more or less, then this is a choice to have in mind. I will leave a link down below so that you guys can check it out, but it's really balanced. And if you get one of these units, in terms of sound, you will not need, at least immediately, to have a surround sound or a better sound equipment, because this will do the job really well, superior than the 620 right over here in terms of sound quality. And that is it. Hope that you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, so don't forget that usual thumbs up. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.